We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Welcome back again on the Return Script. So today we are gonna look at the next move for Bitcoin, and I want you guys to be prepared before this move actually happen. I'm always here for you guys. I have your back, and I want you to be able to be ready as Bitcoin make this huge move. You are gonna be there to accumulate most of your altcoins that you are holding. If we look at the chart right now on the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is holding above the POC, which is the point of control, looking at the volume profile. And when Bitcoin is like this, moving in this range, we want to see Bitcoin keep holding around that range. And also, this is a sign for us to understand maybe price can bounce from there. And provided Bitcoin is above $40,000, then we are good to go. No need to panic. No need to feel as if your altcoins are gonna go down. But if Bitcoin break this POC, then we're gonna head towards the value area low, which is not good. So we're gonna discuss all this stuff today and see other altcoins that we are holding, like TRB has been pumping today. We're gonna look at Chirpley as well, look at other coins that I talk about. Yeah, if is this your first time on my platform, you know what to do. Go and subscribe and share my content. And the reason we're gonna do that is because I create content that help people make better decisions investing in cryptocurrency. I share stuff that can help you take out profit. And if you say you understand that profit taking is important in this industry, then you are gonna be, one of my community by subscribing right now. Those of you who are always here with me, you are awesome. It's good. I'm here with you always. And it has been a busy weekend. We saw most cryptos pumping, and Bitcoin, gave us that signal as usual. But before, I think that was on Friday, I made a live video, and I talked about the areas where we should expect Bitcoin to go towards. And if Bitcoin is able to hold those zones, then we can maybe confirm that we are back in an uptrend, right? So now looking at the lower time frame, which is like 1 hour time frame, I think before I was looking at the 1 hour time frame anyways, and the POC is here. Bitcoin is above the POC, but what concerns me is that the alpha trend here has pointed this sell signal here on the 1 hour time frame, which is not good, and we have gotten many rejection from this zone here. Price have rejected this zone. Let me show Show you price have attempted to come towards this area, and price has rejected that area multiple times. And this area is around, I think, let me see the price area, which is from 42,400 to 237. So now, I think we have to go to, let's first of all go to Coin Glass to see the coin liquidity in the market. Coin Glass. So let's see on liquidity. Let's go there and see like the current level that Bitcoin is. We want to see where the market maker can drive price to go grab most of the liquidity in the market. If we understand where they can drive price to go grab those liquidity in the market, then we can actually prepare ourselves for what is coming in the future. I always want to be ahead of time. So this is a 3 days. As of now, I think let's just go to the daily time frame, or maybe let's just focus on the weekly, for this purpose for now. Then we're going to go to the daily time frame and see what is going on here. Now you can see the liquidity we have, guys, here is mostly around 39,500 and 39,500. So there's so much that they can get from if they push price downward, and maybe they can push price again to retest this zone. If the price is able to hold, then we can confirm that 39,000 is actually an area where price should be holding firm. But maybe they can push price from here to 43,000. But this is the next area I'm seeing. But if we go to the 24 hours time frame, we can also try to see what is going on there. From this, we can see that the area where we can expect price to go, actually, if the price break this 42649 area, then we can expect price to go back to around 43k, or maybe go higher. So these are the areas that I am looking at my target. But let's look at the volume profile to see what we got here for the volume profile. And looking at the volume profile right now, I can say that we are favoring a downward trend because price is below the VWAP. The VWAP is this wide moving average. When price is below, then we should be looking at a possible sell scenario, and when price is above the VWAP, we are looking at a possible buy scenario. As of now, price is below the VWAP. So if say we zoom out and see, okay, where is price actually, like where has price been moving? You can see those zones I mentioned. We can go to check those zones, actually to see, okay, those areas that I mentioned for 9,000, we can even go downward to see, but I think this is not going to load well so quick. We can see the liquidity sitting here on the book map, and the book map is just pure order flow, guys. It gives you different areas in the market where there are orders, be it buy or sell orders. So it helps me a lot to know where investors are sitting. Like if we go down, you can see this the red it represent huge orders. Like these are huge orders. You can see we have about 300 Bitcoin here, 295 Bitcoin around that zone. There's so many orders there. And if we go right down to 39,000, let's see if we can go even right downward for us to see, if we have those areas that we saw also. They can see 39,500 is huge order here. Wow, this is so good. Here we have at $9,120, we have actually at 39,000 we have 1,200 Bitcoin. Wow, this is great, guys. So you can look at the order book and see what is there, what investors are doing, which areas they are looking at. You can see that 9,000 is a key zone here. We have about 1,022 Bitcoin here. Like this order is, this area is huge. But let's just go back and focus on where price is right now. And, it is very important we see where price is, so that price can give us, we can get proper direction to where we can expect price to go in the future. So let me move this forward and then refresh this. Right now price is still below the VWAP, but let's just go and look at the lower time frame and see what we can actually get from price on lower time frame for Bitcoin. So let's go to the chart of Bitcoin right now and see what is going on there with the Bitcoin. and I'm gonna look at other altcoins as well. So let's now check on this. Let's check on this right now. So let's go to the to the 15 minutes time frame. But before we go there, guys, I want to show you something that it gives me hope. All right, and I want to explain to you guys again. I've mentioned this time and again. Look, guys, this moving average here that you see here, I think is kind of like green somehow or blue. I don't know how to say this, but you can see price is moving above. Whenever price is moving above this 50-day moving average, right, it means that price is going to favor more upward movement. And if price is rejecting when price get to that moving average, which is the 50-day moving average, like this zone here, then price is going to always favor the upside, right? So if price break below this moving average, this 50-day moving average, then I think we can expect price to head towards the 200-day moving average, which is here, and that's going to be at 41,400. And if say price is not able to hold that area, then price is going to make its way right down to I think below the value area low towards this area here. This is the support and resistance level. This is my indicator, the bottom indicator, the bottom moving average. So price will get there, and that's going to be around $40,000. And if the price break that and trade below it, then we can expect more bad scenarios with Bitcoin. But as of now, I think the fact that Bitcoin is holding that zone, Bitcoin is holding that area, that price area, we should expect price should keep holding. And if prices keep holding, then we can expect other altcoins to do the same. If Bitcoin is not able to hold, other altcoins are not gonna want to hold the same thing. They're gonna be actually trading against Bitcoin, right? Like Bitcoin should be one of the main catalysts that will drive the market or your market. If Bitcoin is not driving your market, then maybe you are actually not doing the right thing in this industry. Bitcoin should be that pivot point, the cryptos that is actually giving you direction to where you should be, like what you should be doing with your altcoins. Now, talking about altcoins, let's look at Chirpley. What is Chirpley doing? Actually, Chirpley pumped, and Chirpley has been holding this zone, which is important. I love the fact that Chirpley pumped and Chirpley is holding, because if say I try to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool here, let's see from where price is right now. If I pull the FIB and take it there, I will say that Chirpley is looking so good, and Chirpley is above right now. Price is above this moving averages, which is somehow so good, And if say we even like try to bring in the volume profile to actually see, like this is a 1 hour time frame, and let's see where we can expect price. You can see price is above the value area high. Of course, they're saying that when price is above the value area high, we should always expect price to either come down towards the POC or maybe come down to the value area low. But when price is above and this area has been rejected multiple times, I mean the value area high has been rejected multiple times, it means that when price is favoring more higher price at that point in time. So looking at where Chirpley is right now, I think Chirpley is going to favor more upside price, because if I look at the Trendillo, I would say that the Trendillo is resetting somehow. So I like it's 50-50, guys. But the fact that I'm looking at this moving average here, this 50-day moving average moving to the upside, I think price might bounce from there before we see the next move to the upside, because price left and price having it come back to retest it, and this moving average has crisscrossed the 800-day moving average, which is also a good sign for Chirpley. So I would say that Chirpley looks bullish to it looks bullish. I'm bullish on Chirpley. Yeah, I'm bullish on Chirpley. And if say we look at TRB coin, let's just go and see what we got here for TRB. Actually, TRB has been pumping today. Has made a huge upside move, but this move has been invalidated But what I wanted to see has just played out anyways. Price has come back to retest this zone, but price didn't actually break. You can see price, we're looking at the higher time frame, price rejected at this area where I think this should be the point of control. Looking at the alpha trend, it should be the point of control, the sell signal here. So for me to actually confirm that TRB is in an uptrend again, then price have to, break above, maintain this level, like come here, held, then go back up to retest to touch this 800-day moving average. So as of now, I don't think I actually bought this TRB without actually doing all this. That is the kind of mistakes we make. Just buy and we didn't check, or you don't check on what price is doing on higher time frame. I look at this on lower time frame. I just got it without looking at it on the higher time frame. So I think this is on me. I am now in a loss because I didn't actually. I look at this and I got I got burned. You can see on the 50 minutes time frame, it seems as if it has made higher highs. Like it held, but it has come back then. So I want to see it hold. If it's not able to hold this zone yet, then that's around $115 and $13. If say price break below, then that's not something I want to hold long term. So I think that's that for Chirpley. Let's look at so that's that for TRB. Let's look at actually OD. OD has been, I saw some OD took out some profit already, but right now I want to focus like to see, okay, what could be the next move for OD. And if I look at this on the 15 minutes time frame, I think the least OD can do before like heading towards, you can see the trade needle is resetting right now towards the oversold area. And because price is rejecting at this 50-day moving average, it's giving me a heads up that we might see price favor to the upside, right? Go more to the upside to kiss this 800-day moving average on the 50 minutes time frame. And if we go to the 1 hour time frame on OD, you can see here. Let me just zoom this a little bit so we can see what OD is doing. Like actually, guys, price is below the POC, and if price is below the POC, then it means price can make its way back to the value area low. But looking at the way this indicator is moving, I think we are gonna see some sort of breakout here. Then price is gonna go right straight away to about, let's say, about $63 for OD. So I think I should buy more OD right now than selling OD. So let me see, am I able to what I'm able to make if say price get to that range or to that target. Let me see what I can make if price get to that target. Wow, that's gonna be 12%, and OD can do 12% just like that. OD, I know OD can just move like that and give us a lot of profit. So this can happen with OD, anytime soon. I think if say you are investing in OD, then that area should be an area where you can look at to either take out profit or maybe just sell everything and stay away from the market. I just want you guys to be ready, to be prepared at all time, all costs, not to get burned, as you invest in this industry. So these are the scenarios, or these are the things I think can happen to OD, can happen to actually Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is not gonna do what Bitcoin should do, then I think OD will not be able to actually do the same. And if say we go to the crypto market cap, this is market cap, the total two, that is all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin. We can see here that looking at, let's just go first to analyze on the 4 hours time frame, because I want us to focus on the daily, so let's focus on the 4 hours time frame right now. And I would say that on the 4 hours time frame, we want to see price stay above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. If price is above those moving averages, the 200-day and the 50-day moving average, then we should be prepared to look for the next move for these altcoins, excluding Bitcoin, right? And if say we look at total trade, that is all altcoins excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin, it's the same thing, guys. But this time around, I think we are looking at a good area here for these altcoins, and they are above right now. They are above the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. So I can expect a pump of altcoins today. Let's see if say that's the case. Let's look at the lower time frame. I want to see which area we can expect price to move towards. I think provided we are above this zone, you can see this zone here. Let's just see what will happen when the market will open. We want to make our way to the upside. Like, let's see the target here for this total. I think we can see this move towards this 500 billion. I think we should be good. If that is the case, then we should see more altcoins. But now looking at the DXY, the US dollars actually let's look at it on the 4 hours time frame. But looking at it on the 1 hour time frame, it looks strong, it looks firm, and I want us to actually look at the DXY to help us understand what is going on with Bitcoin. The DXY on the 4 hours time frame, I will say that let me change this. It's always doing this. If say, let me do DXY. Okay, so yeah. Looking at the 4 hours time frame, I think this is a strong resistance where it is. So if the dollar reverses from here, then we should expect more upside for Bitcoin. But if the dollar break and move above this 800 moving average right now on the 4 hours time frame, then guys, it's still gonna be good. So we want to see price keep going down. But what I'm not happy about is the fact that price is trading above this 50-day moving average, you can see. So we can expect more higher prices for the US dollar, and my target for the US dollar, if it breaks that zone where it is right now, is at 105. So you should be ready, don't get burned. But of course this is gonna be moving like this, and when Bitcoin is gonna move downward, you can see it form like this, and when it retrace, Bitcoin will also move upward. And so these are the different scenarios I'm also expecting to play out with Bitcoin. I can see those of you who are watching suggest a few coins to be on my watch list. Hey, I'm a beginner now. It just depends, like my watch list. If I look at my watch list, I would say, just like, if say I have to suggest to you right now the coins to put in your watch list, I think you should put OD to your watch list, put Solana to your watch list. If you're a beginner, these coins have more security right now, and we can with the way I do go about trading, my strategy, it will help you a long way to make some profit as a beginner. Then we can play around with other altcoins that I share here on a daily basis, like Chirpley. You can get Chirpley on Bybit if you don't yet have Bybit. My link is found below this video. Go there and you're gonna download, but not like download, like really start with Bybit. This is gonna be a way also to support my content, right? But I think I have all the Solana. Talking about Solana, let's just dive right away to see what's going on with Solana positions. Like, guys, what I share with you guys here is what I am investing in, is what I'm doing. And also, if you want to put another coin in your watch list, you have to be ApeCoin. I have ApeCoin, like always on my watch list. Solana actually is holding at this zone. If Solana break this zone, come back and retest it, then we're gonna see Solana go back to, I think, 130. And if it breaks, then we're gonna see Solana go maybe right up to 160 or 180, or maybe even $200 per Solana. So I think we're gonna see more upside with Solana as well. This is pretty awesome to see that these altcoins have huge potential to make us great profit. So Also, guys, um, looking at solar at Ethereum, I think Ethereum, like the upside for Ethereum is so huge. I'm gonna say this because Ethereum has pumped, to this upside, and ever since Ethereum has been moving downward because of what Bitcoin is doing. But I expect Ethereum to hold this, this. I think this bull market support. Let me put it this way: to hold this bull market support, and if Ethereum is able to hold this bull market support and price reset, I think at one point price is gonna come right down. Maybe today, towards this low, yeah, at 2,667, yeah. So price can make its way to that area. That's gonna be a huge buy opportunity. We can see price does that like quick, can happen quick. Then we're gonna see a huge buy back to the upside for Ethereum. So if say you guys don't have any other altcoin you want to look at, I'm not gonna go quickly and look at ICP before I go. ICP, let's see what's going on with ICP. Let's see, ICP also is looking on the daily time, sorry, on the 4 hours time frame is bullish because it's above the 50-day moving average and also above alpha trend. And you can see alpha trend has printed a buy signal here, and the 800-day moving average is far away. So I think ICP is bullish. And let's look at ApeCoin. I talk about ApeCoin as also as a coin that you can have in your watch list. It's one of the good coins out there, and is sitting at a good buy opportunity. Why? Because price is above the 50-day moving average, and if price is above that moving average, I'm bullish. All right, guys, this is it for today. Hopefully this content was helpful to you, and if you want to keep doing this kind of videos every now and then make sure you like, you subscribe, and share my content with someone else out there. See you same time tomorrow.